Could the Higgs boson kill us all? To find out, we'll start off with quantum field theory, the most fundamental theory we have about how the universe works. Quantum field theory asks, but what is an electron really? The answer to this question revolutionized the way we see the world around us. Quantum field theory tells us that an electron is nothing but a ripple on the electron field. The electron field is an entity that covers the whole universe, all of time and space, and it's the same for every other particle. Everything we see around us, and even our own bodies, have emerged from these interacting particle fields. We are ripples, highly complex ripples, but ripples nonetheless, in fields that have spanned the whole universe since the Big Bang. A field allocates a number to every point in space and time. For most particle fields, the background field value is 0, and the ripples, like you and me, are when the field takes a value other than 0. But for the Higgs field, the background field number is 246. A Higgs boson is an excitation, a ripple of the Higgs field. So when, in a small patch of space and for a short period of time, the Higgs field takes a value that's close to, but different from 246, that's a Higgs boson. So it's like 246, 246, 246, 247, Higgs boson, 246, 246, and so on. Higgs bosons are fleeting little things. We really only discovered it to prove we were right. The real game is the Higgs field. It's everywhere, you can't get away from it, and it could kill you at any moment. Because that number, 246, is built into the very fabric of your being. And that's probably the first time that phrase has been used totally accurately. No, really, the answer to life, the universe, and everything is, if anything, 246. That number tells everything in the universe how to behave, because the value of the Higgs field gives mass to all the other particles, and this in turn plays a huge role in shaping their interaction. Now, depending on what the laws of physics are at very high energies, it might be that at some point the value of the Higgs field will change. And when that happens, reality as we know it will cease to exist. I'm not over-dramatizing, I'm just telling it like it is. Because the laws of physics as we know them depend on the value of the Higgs field. And if it changes, the laws of physics will become totally different. And the chance that the new laws will allow for the continuation of human life is quite small. So how will this change happen? Well, it will start somewhere in the universe. It could be thousands of light years away. It could be just over there with Johnny. And then the change will spread, travelling towards us at the speed of light. My best guess is that it will be a quick and painless death.